Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a super creamy, simple duck udon. Here are most of the ingredients you're gonna need. All ingredients and amounts used will be listed in the description below. For the smoked duck, you can replace it with ham, bacon, chicken breast, or anything you like. Here I'm preparing the garlic. I'm just gonna thinly slice these. Now I'm gonna do the same with the onions. Thinly slice these as well into nice thin strips. And now I'm doing the same for the smoked duck. Thinly slice these as well, or any other protein that you're using like chicken or ham. Here I'm gonna bring a pan of water to a boil before adding in my udon noodles. I'm going to blanch these for about 30 seconds. Now in a dry, empty skillet, I'm gonna add some olive oil before stir frying the garlic. Once the garlic is nice, fragrant and golden brown, I'm gonna add in my oyster mushroom. Before adding in the sliced onions, feel free to add in other vegetables if you like. Spinach or broccoli goes really well with a cream-based sauce. Once the vegetables start taking in a bit of color, I'm adding in my smoked duck. Once everything is nicely colored, I'm gonna add in my milk and whipping cream. You can use whole milk or a mixture of both. Now just season to taste with salt and pepper. Once the mixture starts to boil, you can add in your udon noodles. Now I'm adding in the Parmesan cheese. Feel free to add as much as you like. This provides a nice body to the sauce. Now I'm gonna keep boiling until the mixture thickens and turns into this velvety creamy sauce for the udon. This texture now is just about right for me. Feel free to boil as much or as little as you like, depending on how you like your sauce doneness. Now it's done. Just garnish and serve. I use dried parsley, but spring onion or even seaweed works very well. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like, share and subscribe. And of course leave a comment down below as well. See you on my next video.